In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bus ticket booking online. By the end, you'll feel confident searching, comparing, and securing a bus ticket using the 12Go website all from your phone or computer. First, open your browser and go to 12Go. On the home page, enter your trip details. Type your departure city in the from field, your destination in the to field, and select your date of travel. Take a quick second to confirm the spelling and make sure you've chosen the right city and date, especially if multiple stations have similar names. When everything looks good, hit search to see available trips. Now, compare your options carefully. Start with seat type because it affects comfort and price. Regular seats are the most budget friendly. Recliners add a bit more comfort for medium distances. For long journeys, a sleeper is usually the most comfortable and can help you arrive more rested. Next, check travel time. Direct buses are simpler and usually quicker, while trips with stops can be cheaper, but take longer. Night trips can save daytime hours and sometimes cost less, but think about your comfort and arrival time in the morning. Reviews are your best friend here. Look for comments on cleanliness, punctuality, and overall comfort to avoid unpleasant surprises. Finally, compare prices across operators. The cheapest option isn't always the best value. Balance cost with comfort, timing, and reliability. When you found a good match, select your seat. Many listings show a seat map, so you can pick exactly where you want to sit. A window seat is great if you like views and leaning space. Sitting toward the front usually feels less bumpy, while the middle can be more stable overall. Choose what suits your preference and any motion sensitivity. Next, enter your passenger details. Add your name, a reachable contact number, and an email you check often. Make sure your name matches the ID you'll bring to the station, and double check your contact info so you receive updates and your ticket without delays. It's time to pay securely. Choose the method that works for you, GCash or Maya if available in your region, a debit or credit card, or online banking. Ensure you're on a secure connection and never share one-time codes with anyone. After successful payment, you'll receive your e-ticket, usually as a QR code or a PDF. Finally, save your ticket, take a screenshot, and also download the PDF so you have an offline copy. Some buses accept mobile tickets only, so keeping it easily accessible on your device is key. You're all set. Happy travels!